Hello everyone, this is Satvik, and this video I'll be sharing some of the resources that I used as a beginner in order to learn the penetration testing. So without getting any delay, let's dive into the video. Guys, first of all, really thank you for all your support. If you want to connect with me personally, you can check out my Twitter and LinkedIn. And if you want to be part of this channel's community, you can check out my Discord server. All the links in the description below. And also all the resources that I'm going to mention are not any part of affiliate program or anything. I bought it with my own money, and I'll be sharing you my honest review so you can check that out. And also these are not only the resources that you can find. There are several resources, but these are the resources that I personally used in order to learn the techniques in the penetration testing. So let's start with the free resources. So the first one, when I search for the penetration testing, so I think most of you people might also have found this wonderful channel called as Hackersploits. So this is one of the one of the basic step for me in order to like start this stuff. So there are so many good videos, like I learned how to install Kali Linux, I learned how to do basic scans and stuff from this channel. So you can just check that out. There are so many playlists out there. So this channel doesn't only contain penetration testing videos, they also contain some blue team, privilege escalation stuff as well, and also some write-ups as well. So you can do check that out. But for beginners, if you don't want to spend much money, like if you want to learn stuff for free, then this is one of the good place to start. And the second one, where I got to know more about the penetration testing, in the sense like how a penetration testing works, like what will be a day, what will be the life in the day of a penetration tester and sort of stuff, from this channel called as Cyber Mentor. And because of a video, so there is let me show you. So there is a course called as ethical hacking in 12 hours. Like there is a course that used to be on this channel, so where I started, like in order to learn structurally. Like I am not saying this channel is not useful for me, but I thought to learn it in a structured way. So then I thought, then I gone through this Cyber Mentor courses. Okay, so like free courses only, like you have like 12 hours or 15 hours of videos. Like there is one of their video on the code camp, the free code camp or something. So I gone through that, and I came across his channel. His channel is also really good. Okay, and then I got to know about his courses as well. So if you want, you can check that out. And also these are few of his courses. I'm not sure about the pricing and stuff, but most of them are affordable. So I purchased this practical ethical hacking course, and this is also one of the good course. Okay, so like if you are like complete beginner, and if you want to learn from scratch, then this is one of the good course, because it teaches you everything, from something like how introduction to the Linux, introduction to Python, the methodology and everything. So this focuses mostly on the methodology, and also it covers Active Directory exploitation as well, in which which most of the courses doesn't, which are coming these days. Okay, and there is something like exploit development, buffer overflows and stuff. You can just go through this channel, but just go through this course. And the problem with this course is, like, not a problem, but it doesn't contain much of a post exploitation or privilege escalation. For that, they have their own set of courses on Windows privilege escalation and Linux privilege escalation. By the way, if you don't want to buy this, you can check out my playlist on my channel, which I covered both the Windows and Linux privilege escalations. So you can find it on my channel for free. But if you want to learn more about the privilege escalation, then you need to learn them separately apart from this course. Okay, and also they cover the web application pen testing. So they go through the WASP top 10 and wireless attacks and stuff. So you can go through this course. And one good advantage of this course is, like, they have very good community on Discord. So if you're learning through on your own, then you'll definitely face issues when you're starting up. So you can reach out to there on the Discord server, and they provide you answer ASAP. So it's very quick. I like when I was doing some Active Directory pen testing stuff, I got so many issues, and their community members are very good, so they'll help you out. It's for free. You can go and check that out, but the course is going to be paid. And also keep an eye on their Discord server. Like, most of the time it is going to be for free. They'll give this course in giveaways and stuff, so keep an eye on that. Okay, and others also, you can check that out. You can check this OSINT course as well. This is also very really good. I bought this course. I bought all these 4 courses. Okay, so all of them are fine. They are very really good. And this was the first course that I bought. Okay, so like before this PH I didn't bought. I got it in a giveaway. And this course from Jet Security is the first course that I bought. This is very good course. Okay, like it has like limited limited lectures here, but this course will definitely give you very good understanding on wireless penetration testing. So like I learned a lot on wireless penetration testing from this course, so you can do check that out. And also there are some basic stuff like how penetration testing works and stuff. You can just go through them. And also they also have their own courses on a bug bounty and stuff. You can just go through them if you are really interested. Okay, so these are some resources. And also one more resource, like if you want to stay up to date on like the things that are going on, like any new ransomware or any new write-ups, so you can just check out this John Hammond's channel. So this is also a really good channel. Like I subscribed it and I watch his videos. Like these are very consistent. He upload videos consistently as well, so you don't miss out much information. So these are the guys, like few resources. And also there are several courses out there on regional languages. Like even I made a course with one of my co-instructor on in a regional language, which covers the practical ethical hacking aspect. So if you are interested, I'll just leave that in the comments, comments or in the description, so you can do check that out. But it's strictly in the regional language. But the reason why I covered this stuff is like these are in English and most of the people can understand English. So these are the stuff. And also there may be so many courses that I have missed, that I may have missed. If you feel that if I missed some important stuff, then just mention in the comment section. I'll go through them. And really thank you for watching this video till the end. This is Satvik signing off. I'll meet you in the next video. Thank you.